Most people try to eat healthy every single day. They choose foods that look clean, light, and safe. But what if I told you that some of the foods you trust the most are quietly damaging your health? And today we are exposing one such food that looks extremely healthy on the outside but is not doing your body any favors at all. So make sure you watch till the end because this might change the way you eat from tomorrow. This food is often marketed as a smart choice. Fitness influencers recommend it, diet plans include it, and people eat it without a second thought. Yet the truth behind it is rarely discussed. The problem is not just the food itself, but how it is processed, packed, and consumed daily. It spikes your blood sugar faster than you realize, keeps you hungry even after eating, and slowly disrupts your digestion, gut health, and energy levels. You may notice feeling tired, bloated, or craving more food soon after, and you never connect it back to this so-called healthy option. Over time, this habit can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, poor skin, and even hormonal imbalance. The packaging shows words like low-fat, whole, natural, or diet-friendly. But if you flip the label and read carefully, you will find hidden sugars, refined ingredients, artificial flavors, and preservatives that your body does not recognize as real food. Your body works harder to digest it, stores more fat, and gets fewer nutrients in return, which means you are eating more but nourishing less. The biggest danger is that because it looks healthy, people eat it daily without guilt, turning a small mistake into a long-term problem. Real health does not come from labels or trends, it comes from understanding what your body actually needs, choosing fresh, simple, and less processed options, and eating mindfully instead of blindly trusting marketing. If you want to protect your energy, digestion, and long-term health, it is time to question foods that only look healthy but are not. And if this video helped you see food differently, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we share simple truth-based health content that actually helps you live better every day.